Today I'm going to show you how to verify your email domain in Mailchimp. The first thing we're going to do is go up to our profile picture on the top right hand side. Mine is a big S. We're going to come down to profile, tap on profile, you'll see your overview here, and then you're going to go to domains. Now right in here where you see domains, you'll see email domains, and then you will see website domains. So here you can connect a website domain, but what we're looking for is the add and verify domain. Go ahead, click on this, type in your email address, go ahead and click on send verification email. And if it is not a free service like Google, then you will be able to send the verification code to that email address. So it will be basically a business email that you will need here. Once you're done, you're going to say send verification email. You're going to receive it, click on the activation or the verification button within that email, and the email address will then be verified right over here in Mailchimp.